What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry. Distance, social distance, come on.
2 steps away.
So we got our face mask here like this. Screen. Today's a crazy day. It's so beautiful outside. I don't even want to be in here. I just sat in the sun for like 10 minutes waiting for them. But anyway, we're gonna go over here to GM. GM is actually picking up some money from Ate Sue and Kuya Ed there in Canada, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
And long story short is he's gonna get a new phone, and he's super excited. So thank you to them. Thanks to Ate Sue and Kuya Ed that GM will get this new phone. So sige.
I'm thin on my luck and falling so behind. I will need your love, so I'm holding on to you, to you, so I'm holding on to you, to you, so I'm holding on to you, to you, so I'm holding on to you.
We're just gonna wait for him out here. I think he's inside right now. Char. We're in ICM Mall right now, guys.
Let's go to Robinson, hon.
Robinson, yeah, we can go look over
Robinson,
there.
while waiting.
Excuse me. So yeah, the mall's slowly coming back to life. More people eating down there. Sure. Like that. Yeah. Wow, there's actually quite a few people here today. Siggy, let's go to Albinson real fast. You can't give me a hug right now. You have to wait till we get in the car. Oh, excuse me, it's Abinson, not Albinson. Huh? What's this? Oh, salamat, sir.
Magtanaw ng aircon, sir. Aircon.
I see Michael, no? Yeah, guys, we need a new aircon for Michael. Huh.
I thought it's not okay to come inside.
I know, I was like, wait, we can't go inside. What's going on? What did he ask you? I didn't even hear.
What were you gonna do?
He's asking what you're doing. Huh?
I don't know, it just freaked me out.
He asked you what you're gonna do.
To come inside.
Oh. What are you doing, man? Shopping, sir. Whirlpool's awesome, but it's so small. It's still nice though. What is that? Oh, the dryer. What is everything I ever... What? No way. 24,000? That's it? That's pretty good price. But it's a bit small. We were looking for a big one. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah, I know, right? Mommy wants to get a new refrigerator. Char. Nandot kayo, no? Tapo kayo, guys. Grabe. You could fit lots of koan. Zaman Bombay or gulay anak in the bottom. Sana, oh, she's checking out all the refrigerators. You know what I've noticed here in the Philippines, guys? I'm sure what you guys noticed is that they don't have the water dispenser here.
The water here is not
It'd be salty water. In the States, almost all of the refrigerators have water dispenser. You just get the cold water and then ice. Just doesn't happen here in the Philippines.
Are we buying an aircon right now?
I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe we should. We need a new one. You know, we should buy a big one for the bottom, so we can put that one at the bottom in Michael's room because it's really strong anyway. Diba? Ali, ba, stop doing social distance. And they're like talking super loud right by other people. I didn't want to. I'd rather be here alone talking.
So
I'm shy, Char.
we're buying an
I think we should.
We should.
But let's see, like, I think we should get one big strong one for downstairs and then move that one upstairs because then Michael's room would be so cold with that one. And then the bottom would be super cold too.
I thought the big one would be in our bedroom and then Michael's or ours is...
The big one in the bedroom, ours is not that bad. It keeps the room cold. It just needs to be cleaned and stuff. I don't think we need to move ours yet. Hanggat na lang for ours, honey bee. Okay. And also there's stuff upstairs. I forgot what's up there as well. Ovens and stuff are upstairs. Oh, GM's gonna go. Hi. GM, wow. Oh my gosh. Look.
Ayo.
Sign in, please. Sign in, please. Gamay. Ayo.
Pwede rin mo salon?
Naka-salon dire. Okay, we're gonna sign in. Char. Salamat. Sorry. Sana all. We'll see.
So he's just gonna order the iPhone SE.
He's
It
gonna-
will get here at least 2 weeks.
3 or 4 weeks or so. So like under a month.
And we can just give you the rest.
You get the 128, yeah, definitely upgrade. So they're
It's
gonna
white
look at the
though.
SE. It's got the wide camera lens, which we don't have, and we want to get it because it makes the pictures so nice.
Waiting for the iPhone.
Saba, whatever. So GM was just gonna order that today, so that'll come in a month or so. So it's definitely worth the wait because of that wide lens and it's fast and it's a great price. So it's a good deal. But GM wouldn't be able to get this without Ate Sue and Kuya Ed over there in Canada. So shout out again to you guys. That's really awesome. So thank you so much for your guys' support. And GM really appreciates it.
Hi guys! We just got home from our errands and we went grocery today. Huh? Huh? Can you wait? Wait.
It's birthday.
No, we're just buying groceries. And we bought puppy food for Rocky. Hi.
Hi.
And we forget to bring this to the laundry because can you pick this up? Please. That's for
Can I have some?
yeah. That's
Onya,
for
okay, just bring it inside, okay? Onya, we're gonna bring it all in, okay? What's up, guys? Our car is overloaded, and we got tons of stuff we were eating, and we got a bunch of garbage, so we gotta get everything situated. Oh my gosh. Y'all better help me clean this car.
Brandon.
Yes.
Please, I cannot carry this. They're heavy.
Oh, who put their chinillas right in front of the area? Yeah.
Okay, langaw kay Kimin.
Okay. I like langaw.
You like langaw? What, Josephine? What do you need? Can you wait?
How to get of this stuff?
Can you wait? You didn't press your...
I can carry this.
Yes, you can. It's only 10 kilos. 15 kilos. No. You're so strong, Brandon. You bought a lot, Han.
Yes, I got lots of guan.
I can carry.
exert too much effort.
Just slide it on the ground. Just throw it on the ground. We'll slide it in.
And let me carry this.
So, mommy forgot to
What?
take the. Or we all did actually.
No, we all did.
Huh?
We all did.
We all forgot to drop the load of laundry off because we got big blankets.
It's the curtains.
It's the curtains. Well, it's blankets too from the.
Daddy, my toy is in there.
We don't have a.
Brush your hair, not
I need
big.
to go to get my toy first.
Okay, go.
Is that all?
La, la, la. Go help him, her, please.
Slippers are inside?
No, she needs to get her toy.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye,
There
guys.
is an entrance over
Goodbye.
Hey.
here. He's got the cookies.
Oh my God.
Who made that? It's too big, man, oy.
Hala. Is that water?
There's no earthquake.
Is it like, it's too big, no?
It's too big.
It's not water.
Uy! Sakit na po na nagmahugal.
Oh, golly, that's what I'm worried. Daddy! Something from LBC is here.
Bye. Oh, really?
Yes.
Open your eyes. Okay, switching to this. Wait a second, baby.
What is that, Daddy?
Hi, sir. Oh, right. Look at that. Floor liners, guys.
Ah, for the car?
Yeah.
Just sign.
Did you pay that already, Han? Can you give them a little?
Yeah, of course. I was reaching my pocket. I was like, seeing if I have any. Thanks, bro. Salamat kayo.
Salamat.
Guys, now tomorrow, for all you messy kids, for what I was just cleaning out earlier from the car, yeah, this is gonna help so much, guys.
Ah,
All you
Miss the
guys,
wife and kids and visit her.
yeah, oh my gosh. So, finally got floor mats for the car. I'm gonna install that tomorrow, guys. So I'll show you guys what it looks like,
can I see?
so that you can't see. Floor liners. Shark floor liners.
Okay.
It's pretty expensive, but it's really good. That
Okay.
gets the job done. I think it
Okay.
was like 8,000, 6,000, something like that. Sorry. Mahal ka ayo. So here we go. Daddy's happy. We're gonna make the car look nice. Put the stickers on the tires, made the rims look so cool. Now we got, ta-da! Look how big this thing is. So we'll see this tomorrow.
My God, you're so... We are ignorant. I'm the one who bought it, but I don't know how to use it.
Hala! Sige, dali, try.
The 7 dwarfs are ignorant.
Nak, Daddy's calling you. What are you doing?
I'm cutting your leg. But careful, huh? This is dangerous.
No, don't. I will. Not for now, please. Ah.
And please include this one. This one.
Never mind. Just put it on the side, Kathleen. You can go inside.
Thin on my luck and falling so behind. I will need your love, so I'm holding on to you, to you, to you. So I'm holding on to you, to you, to you. So I'm holding on to you, to you, to you. So I'm holding on to you.